Okay, in today's class we will try to understand how to find sum of natural numbers, a range from 1 to 3, 1 to 10, 1 to 15, whatever. Okay, 1 to 5, 1 to a range. Okay, a range of numbers. Okay, now here you can take this, suppose 10 to 100, doesn't matter. The range you can take from a number to end of number. Okay, in Java, as I told you, that this is the main class, okay, and this is the main method. Okay, under the main class, under the main method, suppose if you see, I will explain here. This is the main class. Okay, main class name, normally by default you will see here main. Normally you will see here as a main class, capital name. Okay, this is the default. And under this main method, okay, you for a time being you forget this line of statement. Only two lines are whenever you start the Java project. So you will see one main class and one main method. Only two lines will be there: main method, main class. So always main class name must be equal to your file name. My file name is sum.java. It is Java file. Okay, sum, my file name. So your main class name to be changed as what? Sum. So now your class name equal to file name. So that is a rule. So now your main class name changed, but your main method name will not be changed. Always main method name with the small letters, class name with the capital letters. That is the rule. Okay, main method. So Java compiler, whenever you write the code, Java compiler looks for the main method. After that, whatever the line of code is there, that will be executed. After that, this line of code is here. I have written this line of code. What I have written? Okay, this is the default one string type of data I have kept here, suppose. Okay, after that, one thing I have written, one variable, it is a string type of data put in as a print I need to get, and one variable declared, that is what integer data type. Okay, it is looking for sum of this range, looking for sum of 10 to 100. Yeah, 1 to 3, 10 to 100, 10 to 100, sum of. Okay, this sum of, now it becomes what? A function or method. Okay, now system.out.println result. I want to get this result, the value stored in this variable. So this result variable stores this function value, function or method. So that method will calculate the sum of range of from 10 to 100. So now we need to create this method.
Data types cover. This is good. Important.
Okay, now we need to create this method. Where should we create the method? Now under the main class. Okay, we write the create the you paste here. This is the method already I have created. Okay, that is the user defined method. As I told you that in Java, so many classes, built-in classes are there, and the class they are having their methods. They are predefined by the programmer. Okay, by the designer, whomever designed the Java language. So he has defined the predefined classes and methods. So they are called the predefined classes and methods. Here we are creating a method. That's why it is called user defined method. Now this method, what it is doing, as I told you, that this sum to be calculated, this function, this here it is method, because method in Java, method is always every method is part of a class. That's why it's called, actually it is a function. but in Java it is written under a class, that's why it is a method. Okay, now that method name, as it is, this is sum method, so this is sum method. So that sum method calculate from 10. 10 is what I have. 10 means starting number, 100 means end number. These two are integers, I declared as parameters.
इसको रिचार्ज कर देंगे सर.
Okay, now this is what 10 start number. Okay, this is what end number, end minus 1. Okay, here within the function method I have taken two parameters as variables, start variable, end variable. They are integer data type. Why? Because my range is, this is the start number, this is end number. So method is created with the name sum. Now condition within this static, this is a static method, means it is a class method. Okay, so if it is a public method, I need to create the object, but I want to call it as a class method. So that's why static keyword I have used. Static keyword will be used with the class methods and class variables to declare that they are the class methods. If it is public I have written, means this method will be public method, means when I need to create an object for this class, I need to create the object for this class. Then I will access this method name sum with the object name. So I don't want to create this method as object method. I want to keep it as a class method. Now here I in place of void means, normally here you will see void keyword. Void means this method will not return anything. So but I want to get somewhat written from here, so I can use the primitive data type, integer, string, float, boolean, char. Okay, in place of void. After that, this is the sum name, method name. Now within this if black I have started, within this condition I have written like what, end is greater than start. End is greater than start. End is greater than start. What? End is what? This is your end number. So greater than start. Start is 10. So the condition is true. So 100 is greater than 10. So it written what? End plus sum of start n minus 1. Sum of end plus means 100 plus sum of start means 10, n minus 1. N minus 1 means 100 minus 1, 99, plus 10 to 99. Like this it will calculate. Means what, you try to, else returns 0. So what do you mean of this? You try to understand. I am going to explain. Here try to understand. So now whenever I execute this one, I am getting this much of 4995. This is the value, but I need to check back that if I take it is 1 to, simply I want to calculate small numbers 1 to 5 up to this 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 to 14 1 15. I need to get what, this 15. So you do this 1 to 5. If it is okay, then I will understood that is okay. 50, but I am getting 14. That is to be checked. Why it is getting? I am getting one number where I am missing. Okay. Now come down. So first of all, let me do that. How it is happening? You come here. Normally you comment here. That is what sum of 10. Sum of 10. What do you mean of sum of 10? That is equal to 10 plus sum of 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So what is sum of 10 minus 1? That is equal to what? 10 plus 9. Sum of 9. Sum of 9. Okay. So now what happened? Try to understand. If I want to get sum of 10, it is a function now. Sum of 10. So